Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to LifeTalk English. Today's conversation is all about ordering food at a restaurant, one of the most useful real-life situations you'll face when dining out. You'll learn how to ask questions, order politely, and make small talk naturally in American English. Stick around to the end. We'll do a quick recap to help you sound confident next time you go out to eat.
Hi there. Could I get a table for one, please?
Of course. Would you like to sit by the window or near the bar?
By the window sounds perfect, thanks.
Great choice. Here's your table and the menu.
Thanks a lot. This place looks really nice.
Thank you. First time dining with us?
Yeah, my coworker recommended it.
That's awesome. Can I start you off with the drink?
Sure. Could I have a lemonade, please?
Regular or sparkling?
Let's go with regular.
You got it. I'll bring that right out.
Thanks so much.
Here you go. One lemonade.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Kind of. Everything looks great. What's your most popular dish?
Definitely our grilled chicken pasta. People love it.
Ooh, that sounds good. Does it come with any sides?
Yes, you can choose soup or salad.
What kind of soup do you have today?
Tomato basil or chicken noodle?
Tomato basil, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like an appetizer?
What do you recommend?
The garlic breadsticks are super popular.
Who doesn't love garlic bread? I'll take that.
Great. Anything else for now?
Nope, that should be all.
All right, so that's one grilled chicken pasta with tomato basil soup and garlic breadsticks.
Yep, that's right.
Perfect. I'll put that in for you.
Awesome, thanks.
No problem at all. Let me know if you need anything.
Will do.
How's your drink so far?
Really good. Nice and refreshing.
Glad to hear that. Your appetizer should be out soon.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Here are your garlic breadsticks.
Wow, they smell amazing.
They're fresh from the oven. Enjoy.
Thanks. Can't wait to try them.
How are the breadsticks?
So good. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Perfect. That's how we like them.
Yeah, you nailed it.
I'll let the chef know. Your pasta will be ready soon.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it.
Here's your grilled chicken pasta with tomato basil soup.
That looks fantastic.
I'm glad you think so. Would you like some grated cheese?
Yes, please. That'd be great.
Here you go. Anything else?
Nope, I'm good. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal.
This pasta is delicious.
I'm happy to hear that. It's one of my favorites too.
You can really taste the fresh sauce.
Yeah, we make it in-house every morning.
No wonder it tastes so fresh.
Would you like to see the dessert menu after this?
Maybe. What desserts do you have?
Cheesecake, brownies, and apple pie.
Apple pie sounds tempting.
It's a classic, served warm with ice cream.
Oh man, now I want it. Let's do it.
Awesome. I'll bring a slice right up.
You're the best.
Thank you. Here's your apple pie.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Glad you like it. Anything else before I bring the check?
No, I think I'm all set.
All right, I'll grab your check.
Thanks. You guys take cards, right?
Yep, all major ones.
Perfect. Here's mine.
Thanks. I'll process that for you.
Great.
All done. Here's your card and receipt.
Thanks for the awesome service.
You're very welcome. Glad you enjoyed everything.
I really did. I'll definitely come back.
We'll be happy to have you again.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Nice work, everyone. You just practiced a complete restaurant conversation, from ordering food to dessert and paying the check. Let's quickly go over what you learned. Use polite phrases like, could I get or can I have to sound natural. Ask short follow-up questions like, does it come with sides to keep the chat flowing? Use friendly reactions like, that looks amazing, or that sounds good to sound lively. Confirm details politely, like, you guys take cards, right? And remember contractions, like I'm, your, that's. They make your English smooth and natural. Keep practicing this out loud to get used to real restaurant English rhythm and tone. Keep watching LifeTalk English for more real-life dialogues, and don't forget to speak along next time.